Okay, here's our TikTok tutorials. Click on the plus sign. Then click on the effects. Okay, choose the effects you see on the upper left corner. And then choose the background that you would like to use from your phone. Then pinch this profile image and then move your face to a desired position. Then start recording. Then click the check mark once you're satisfied with your recording. Click sound to add the music. Okay, then choose the music you like. And click volume to adjust the volume. Put original sound to 100% and the other sound to about 15%. Then add stickers, text, and anything you want, and then click the arrow. Then type your description. And post.